Does preparing a dessert that is sweet and, of course, delicious in your very own kitchen sound great to you? Well, here at Side Guy Cooks, of course, we have a great recipe with peach crisp. So let's get started. First up, the peaches. Using fresh peaches is always best. Time to make the crisp topping. Using cold butter is always best. Let's build the dish.
Yep.
Set your timer for 45 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Crisps date back to medieval European fruit pies, which often use thick, inedible crusts meant for preservation rather than enjoyment. Culinary historians generally agree that fruit crisps originated in the United States around 1910. It features baked fruit, topped with oat sugar and butter, and is often served with ice cream to balance out the crunchy topping. Looks great right out of the oven. Let's plate up a portion with a scoop of ice cream. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Whether served with a scoop of ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream, everyone at your table will absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the perfect dessert you can make in your own kitchen. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.